One of the most common concerns that patients have about blepharoplasty is whether the resulting scars will be visible. Fortunately, with the right surgical technique and proper care during the healing process, once fully healed, blepharoplasty scars are virtually invisible. During blepharoplasty, the surgeon will typically make incisions along the natural creases of the eyelids, which help to conceal any scarring. In most cases, the resulting scars will be very fine and well camouflaged. To minimize scarring after blepharoplasty, it's important to follow your surgeon's specific post-operative instructions very closely, including avoiding activities that could strain the eyes or put pressure on the incision site. It is also important to keep the incisions clean and dry during the healing process and to avoid exposing them to direct sunlight or other sources of UV radiation. With proper care and attention during the healing process, blepharoplasty scars are well concealed and virtually invisible.